iPhone 8 is bringing back the headphone jack. No, it won't be a 3.5mm headphone jack, and you'll still need an adapter if you want to connect 3.5mm headphones to your iPhone. As we saw in the iPhone 8 mock-up photos, the Lightning port is still the only port on the bottom of the phone. But the new iPhone's Lightning ports will always be free and clear, waiting for users to connect their headphones even while the phone is charging. How is that going to work? Simple. Apple's next generation iPhone will finally support wireless charging. Wireless headphones are the future. We all know this, and sales of wireless headphones are skyrocketing. If you're stuck in the past, however, you'll no longer have any problem listening to music while charging your phone beginning with this year's new iPhone models,